everyone, I'm Shampasari and welcome to ACE Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve a question that has been taken from the topic of numbers, and this question has appeared in the Hotel Management Entrance Exam 2006. Now the question is as follows. The product of three consecutive even numbers when divided by 8 is 720. The product of the square roots is. Now we are given four options: A 12 root 10, B 24 root 10, C 120, or D none of these. So this was a question that has appeared in the Hotel Management Test 2006, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to the video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to a given question, we are provided with three consecutive even numbers. So what we can do is we can take the numbers as x minus 2, x and x plus 2, because x is the middle number and x minus 2 is the first number and x plus 2 is the third number. Now, according to a given question, we are given that the product of these three numbers when divided by 8 gives us a result as 720. So we can say that x minus 2 into x plus 2 when it is divided by 8 is equal to 720. Now we can also state this as x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x is equal to 720 into 8. Now x minus 2 into x plus 2 is simply a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we'll get x square minus 4 whole into x is equal to 720 into 8, which is equal to 5760. So we have got that x square minus 4 into x is equal to 5760. Now according to our last step, we have got that x square minus 4 into x is equal to 5760. Now the question was asked to us that what is the product of the square root. Now we can simply take the square root on both the sides and we will get the product of the square root. So we'll get under root of x square minus 4 into x is equal to under root of 5760, and that will give us a required answer. Now the under root of 5760 is what we have to calculate. Now we know that 576 is the root of 24, so we can take it out and we will get 24 root 10. So according to our given question, our answer is equal to 24 root 10, and according to our given option, it is option number B. So our final answer is option number B, 24 root 10. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ACE Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ACE Academy.